Mama, what's your age?
40.
Where yung totoo?
49.
Okay. Wait lang, it was so long. And how many bedrooms do you have?
3. Ay, 4. 5.
Totoo?
Tatlo. Only 3.
Baliktad ako.
That's correct. Yeah. Correct na yun. Erase. Yeah.
Let's add a bit space.
Okay.
And how many bathrooms do you have?
Only 1.
Yung totoo.
1, hindi bathroom yung isa. That's extra gripo lang, but that's not bathroom. There's only 1 bathroom.
Okay.
Yeah, so we got 4,931. Ano yan? Ano yung 4,931 na yan?
Followers.
That's the followers that I need?
Yeah.
Oh, so tell mo yung mga ka-followers natin. Yung mga ka-reels
Hello mga Karins. You please follow. I'm adding a heart.
natin. You're adding heart? How to do that? Say mo muna, follow mo na sila.
Can you follow my mama?
I love you. Thank you. Teach mo ako gano'n na. Heart, gano'n pa nagawa. Nakada, I'll try. I'll try.
For
Still running? Oh, amazing.
it's
Liit na. Okay,
I'll-
stop na. Thank you.
bye guys.
Bye, thank you for watching po. Mwah.